Well guys, welcome to Cocktail Friday. Today's cocktail is going to be Mojito, so we won't be doing any shaking today. So what you need for that is some mint leaves, some lime, and a bit of sugar here, your sugar syrup, and your lime juice, and of course some Bacardi. And we will be topping it up then with some soda water afterwards. Okay? So you're going to put in about 2 or 3 limes, 5 mint leaves. Now, and you muddle these. So when you're muddling, oh, I forgot the sugar. Put in your sugar as well, guys. About a teaspoon of sugar there. So you're muddling this, so you're not squashing the life out of your limes or the mint leaves. You're just pressing them down on them, just enough to release the flavours and the oils from the mint and the limes. Okay? So. So you're going to put in 2 ounces, say 2 ounces of Bacardi, which is about 60 mils. So just under 2 measures. Now, put an ounce of sugar syrup. And 20 mils of lime juice. Fill that up with ice. And you just top it up with either your soda water or sparkling water there. So for the sparkling water, it's a bit more bite in it. Stir it up a bit then. And it's to garnish it then with your sprig of mint leaf there like that. And there you have a refreshing Mojito. Cheers.